So cognitive behavioural therapy, or CBT, is for many clinicians a standard line of treatment or treatment of choice for improving mental health disorders such as depression and anxiety. So based on research, CBT has been found to be as effective as medication in treating many mental disorders such as anxiety and stress. Hoffman et al. 2012. So in the last few years, some CBT counsellors have been claiming to get very positive results by incorporating animal-assisted therapies with their clients. So animal-assisted therapy, it has been increasingly accepted within a range of modalities such as CBT and psychotherapy, in the sense that a collaborative relationship between the client and the therapist is encouraged, and responsibility is placed on the client to assume an active role in that therapy sessions to bring about significant cognitive change. Gonzalez Ramirez et al. 2013. So actually it seems that Florence Nightingale actually was one of the first clinicians to introduce therapy animals to her patients, and that was around 1860. So she noticed that the patients felt better and they healed quicker when they had an animal for company. McDonald 2020. So research, it seems to show there is a positive measurable benefit for humans when they are in the company of these animals. So these animals influence an increase in endorphins in the body, which help to reduce levels of anxiety, stress and pain also. So clients with chronic mental health conditions such as depression, autism, or Asperger's syndrome, etc., they can all experience some type of cognitive change through this animal interaction, and via an increased awareness of underlying patterns of their thinking and behaving that can sustain the healing of many psychological issues. Charisanjas et al. 2018. So incorporating CBT principles with farm animal assisted therapy sessions, it seems to provide frequent opportunities for people to learn about the relationship between their thoughts, emotions, and of course their behaviours. So this increases awareness of the underlying patterns of thinking and behaving that maintain these psychological difficulties. So using cows in mixed CBT and animal-assisted therapies, it has been becoming more popular in the last decade. Evidence seems to suggest that hugging and interacting with cows is beneficial in reducing depression. It seems to assist in cognitive change and helps in feelings of just generally becoming more grounded and rejuvenated, particularly with people suffering from their psychiatric disorders. Birgit et al. 2011. So CBT research, it has shown that the release of the hormone oxytocin can increase the level of trust between the client and the therapist. So also when we hug animals, our body can also release that same oxytocin. So it's a hormone that is associated with happiness, decrease of stress, and the reduction of anxiety. In general, like a feel-good hormone. So other research supported the opinion that cow hugging can help in lowering blood pressure and anxiety in clients with autism and schizophrenia. Cherniak and Cherniak 2014. So just like when you have meditation, your heart rate seems to lower. So cows, they have a lower heart rate than humans, and so when we're interacting and hugging cows, naturally our own heart rate decreases, and in that way people do seem to get a tangible benefit from that. So thank you. Please click for the next slide.